right now the paper style, these are dot pages, and if you want to change the paper style, it's similar to adding sticker or change the cover page. What you need to do is go to the templates folder and then go to paper style and choose what paper style you want. So for example, I want to choose in black color, so I just need to drag and drop it and increase the size to cover the current page like this. And that's it. That's how you change the paper style. In order to copy it, do the same thing for the pages without adjusting the size again. So you would click on the lasso tools. Oh, remember this is the images, so always make sure that you enable the images options, and then just lasso anywhere, copy, and go to the page that you want to change the paper style. So you have a paper style.